Hi guys, it's Katie. My project is on animal development from zygote to adult. After fertilization, two haploid cells fuse their info together and form a zygote. The zygote starts dividing and cleaving through mitosis, creating a ball of 32 cells called a morula or a morula. This begins to secrete a fluid that forms a space in the center, resulting in a hollow sphere of cells called a blastula. More complex animals are basically built around a tube, mouth at one end and an anus at the other. This tube is formed through the process of gastrulation. In this process, an indentation forms on the blastula, with cells folding in on themselves, creating a blastopore. For animals whose mouth and anus are the same, this is where it stops, such as sea anemones. For those whose mouth and anus are separate, the indentation keeps going until it reaches the other side, forming the gastrula. Two different things can happen at this point, depending on what animal is developing. It could either be a protostome, whose mouth is formed by the blastopore, or the deuterostome, whose anus is formed by the blastopore. This includes humans and all vertebrates. The formation of the digestive tract is the first thing that happens in the development of an animal. So far, the bead of cells is two layers of tissue, the ectoderm, the outer layer, and the endoderm, the inner layer. These are called the germ layers. Complex animals whose mouth is separate from the anus are called triploblasts. They have three layers: the ectoderm, which becomes the skin, the endoderm, which forms the digestive tract, and the mesoderm, which forms the muscles, circulatory system, and bones. From here, the animal develops into anything from a ladybug to a walrus. Thank you, and that's the end.